wo na yenya adwuma bi saa ye imagine no aseni ade ayesi no eno a ana oguso ye eti ene saa de a obe appoint ni nuanom nko a na yenka no kurenti besi ye atwa mu obi abakuro yi mu no wa hyase appoint asantefo appoint achemfo appoint kowfo appoint ekwapemfo ni ahwe sebi ti bonkoso fo mbekasa kurom na at the expense of yenuanom na yenuanom so mo free north every voter ade dwomama ye no en scam na ade na wo ye no mo so no e bia na de me ka mo bedi matem ba mere bi ba mo hia se meka menka one ka two you know ade dwomama ye no very dangerous and then the civil war ba Oko Rwanda the Tutsis and the Hwahwan woni be dey buy because nipa na edi manfo no so no na nipa kakra bi na edi manfo bebre na so. And when it happens like that, revenue sharing becomes very minimal to a young crofo. At the end of it will become do or die.
Exactly.
And I dear Jomama, very dangerous. Ghana Water Company, board members are Odom Koya, green paper no. For Ghana Water Company, bra. Ni yanshe ni pa Odom Koya, yanshe omuti, ni yanshe baby omufri. Danny Elijah no, ni yanshe. Jomama say Ghana Water Company never supply issue akọ ayen kran for ho. Ghana Water Company never supply issue akọ ayen voter region. Ghana Water Company never supply issue akọ ayen Ashanti region. Ghana Water Company never supply issue akọ Western North, Western region. All ayen Central region. Bona hafo no. Hwe nipa wodo makoto so. Eric J. Bilinguo Adama. And a board chair, a president's nominee. Managing Director of Ghana a company. Honorable Adam Mutawakilu. And also Ninyano from the North. A member Hadisu Al Hassan, PhD, Ninyano from the North. Another member, Professor Afishatu. Afishata Mohammed Abu Jaja. Ghana Water Company. I will appoint no. Sanka very Obia Yabieno. Obiemo. Yafe. Next one ye Alaji Abu Mahama. Next one ye Ibrahim Abdul Jalil. Next one ye Agbashi Nuchu. Professor Jasper Edine Onere Ayezunu. Ana Aye Matthias Kwame Into. Eti ye Wogana hase. Aye different tribes and different ethnic backgrounds. Nasi ye Rajomama so akwa appointed ye board members for Ghana National Water Company. Shedino or the buy. Jira, Shedino or the buy no. Or she show mo. My catcher so criti and when not hegemony. Now when I'm not sorry, you know. You and my come for no one this in but I'm friend and then you know friend I allow no more come. Hey, mama, I know. Very dangerous now. I'm saying, hey, when it's Ghana Water Company Limited. Jera, Adia Joydra Jomama Yohuni. Or creating nothing a year away hegemony. My can't say where nobody's listening. Danny, Fame Kwani Koshe or Koye, Ashanti region. Tienio. Yabeko even Ashanti regional MMDC so. But before Yabeko so, Yankoni Yanko Ashanti region. Nadmo directors a Ashanti region. Yankoni Yanko Nadmo directors a Ashanti region. Danny for more pictures to 20 years. So Okodruwa, Ashanti regional deputy director of Nadmo. Mutala Musa. Ashanti regional director of Nadmo. Mutala Musa, Yanko next. Where's your deputy, Ashanti regional, director, Nadmu, and we say Alhaji Umar Muhammad Rabiu, Ashanti region, all appointed Nadmu directors. Yanko next. When we are no director, Alhaji Muhammad Nasir Ibrahim, Ashanti regional director of Nadmu, and we are Alhaji Muhammad. 80 out of 3 appointments. Ninianum from the north from Kwano Domuye. Connects. Now another deputy, public relations officer of Nadmu, Ahmed Tijani Abubakar, Ashanti region. Why you 4 major appointments in Ashanti region, and not even one goes to Ashanti 4. Not even one goes to Anakan. All 4 of them, from the north, Ashanti region. Forward to Twomio, Mr. John Mama Dienwayan, very dangerous, and nobody is listening. We PRO for a Nadmu in Ashanti region. Ahmed Tijani Abubakar. For next one, director Alhaji Muhammad Nasir Ibrahim. For deputy, Deputy so Alhaji Omar Mohammed Rabiu. For another deputy bra. Mutala Musa. 4 major appointments in Ashanti region. Or the new Northness. Because can me why na Northness and Adiana way and watch no be the baba yemo. They do one by shame. And I won't mind you. So it's not about CHN Northness. It's not about CHN West. Now, all set a very dangerous precedent. Obiba no oba be the same one. Mo ayesa mo ye worried. The president. Afe eno ayesi Ewura Jomama will release the MMDCs in Ashanti region. In fact, will release it be a voter region. Na dani so voter region de no aka o de beto ni ya hwe names e course voter region e je no o hwe mu voter region wo hu nkrani wom o hwe mu voter region wo hu fantini wom o hwe mu voter region wo hu anybody a wo free any other tribe obi a obo ni di o voter region bia e voter o ko piem Savannah region ko emfantifo ni Savannah region to appoint me MMDC is a free Savannah region by engineer general. Wa appoint Fantini ba kokura. Wa appoint Bununi ba kokura. And so many will say, Yanko Ashanti region. MMDCs. No wonder say Akola wait me nya confidence in Jina Santimapo. Eka say Yama Santini bia me MMDC wo eya Santimapo. If se nem komo omodi na chiri amomatie general yanko hwe Ashanti region Ashanti region Ashanti region yanhwe MMDC sa wode to na yeko ahafano north eyekwasi adusai ahafano south Ibrahim Yamba Nelson Isaka Ashanti region ahafano south west Abubakar Sadiq Ashanti region hedani fatu so na mampono enlaje no na mampono yimani firi so afe okodu atuma nwabiaja northwa Imba Zakaria Alembila atuma nwabiaja south Wisdom Osebuama yabo 5 afe ni anya Asantefo supposedly mienu amansie Benjamin Mafo amansie west Manu Prince Morris Bekwai Salifu Isaka Offenso south Frank Owusu-Amoah ana Offenso north Caesar Echampong Fusu. After yanko next one. Now Okwaha Pearl Patricia Ankra Charles Kofi Ogbe Ohineba Kwabena Ando Abed Dakura Anuya Adansia Sokwa Charles Apia Kubi. Now what will let you see say a very dangerous precedent. Danny may send Adiamao projecting is a CA na yansha say out of Obuasi West Ania Fostilav Apia Kanin Ojowu Kofi Williams Ajowu that's the area man when you appear Amo Canel na yansha diebi Adiana warrior a very dangerous precedent na also do the chrome there wa appoint Ashanti bia ho afi yanko ne yanhwe Ashanti dane me dia ade bia asende wo me dia 2 page ne so fa ne project sisi amam ne yanhwe ade now out of the MMDCs our appointed you know yanko hwe eye afano southeast Abraham Yamba Nelson Isaka no southwest Abubakar Sadiq Atuma Nwabiaja Imba Zakaria Alembila Bekwai Salifu Isaka Adanse North Charles Kofi Ogba Adanse Asokwa Abed Dakura Adanse Akrofom Gareba Mohammed Mustafa Obuasi East Ajowu Kofi William Tafo Abubakar Abubakar there Sadiq Oforikromo Anwel Sadat Ahmed Dani media yana to page no so ko na ko ready to ya na so Anwel Sadat Asokwa general Asokwa ha project we mo hwe project de joma ma ye no Ashanti region Asokwa Volta region hu ni pa ba kokura etu ko do Ashanti region Afano southeast Ibrahim Yamba Nelson Isaka Afano southwest Abubakar Sadiq Atuma Nwabiaja north Imba Zakaria Alembila Bekwai Salifu Isaka Adanse north Charles Kofi Ogbe Adanse Asokwa Abed Dakura Adanse Akrofom Gareba Mohammed Mustafa Obuasi East Adjovu Kofi William Tafo Abubakar Sadiq Oforikrom Anwel Sadat Ahmed Asokwa Amo Kemel Asokore Mampong Ben Abdallah Al-Hassan Ejura Sechere Dumase Rafiu Adam Sedu Sechere Afram Place Abubakar Isaka Sechere East Ibrahim Adams Bosomtwe Abdullah Hamidu Afijakwa Abere North Emmanuel Jackson Aguma ewe nothing hegemony na Jomama yena mu nyina mo se mo nkasa no imagine so obi ba voter renye no obesesa asante fonko de MMDC enti mo to mbapene imagine so obi free eye ye kana say ayi Upper East ni asesa fante fonko akoye vo ayi MMDC ya enti mo ba pene ana mo ba pene ye fa bono fonko abeye eye MMDC is was Savannah regent mo ba pene ye fa kan fo ba ebeye MMDC was Sebila ene ne potemon nti mo ba pene de ade na Jomama ye no bia ye din ahemfo nyina ye din asante ahemfo mu nyina ma ye din ye nyina nye din ne nkoi why Nemum so obi ba ochena no no so beye bia shanam and you see they are inciting other tribes against Akans no mo de kwase ya wo hye na yiri basement ana edi animu eti wo incite da bia odidi nkofo atem odidi akamfo atem no odidi akamfo atem we will get there. You know, we will get there. Exactly. And at the end of Jomama yeno, there edinama ye civil war. Precisely. Because when people feel cheated, a bedu baby do or die. Exactly. And you're very genuine. And we count the number of people and then penning for the higher hierarchy. You know, and I send this idea way, mama.
Precisely so.
You trust to see ya, you trust to see ya.
Dangerous to our democracy.
Dangerous to our democracy.
Precisely so.
Nti maka muntie. Maka. You know, any sort of so.